So somebody decide for this Beenieman Baby Mother Krystal like in a one I worst disrespectful way. You see me I say? And you can see say she feel a way about it because she replied to it. Even though she not reply and I go on no bad way or a cuss off nobody, you can tell because she did reply to it. It's never something where she could have just ignore. So we are going to tell you now what them. I'm not sure which part this happened exactly. I assume she up on her page, but however she screenshot it and repost it with a different caption, and we're going to tell you what that said too. So Krystal being Krystal, I guess she just want to keep it professional, said we, even though she replied to this. You see me? She block out the person name. And the person say, baby mother number 13, vocal, you see everything what JLP do or say. She run in, kiss my teeth, at Krystal Tomlinson, go up. So this is politically motivated, right? So them a style her say she a baby mother number 13. Them a use a personal thing for this her in some politics settings. Now it makes sense why she would block out the name, because if it's political, she don't want to go off on that person here, and seems like somebody who can hold them bearing and them way there. So I mean I say, because that's not a characteristic of a professional that should be in politics, right? So now we understand why Krystal goes so easy and take the more intellectual road than just blast that person and tell them about upside down cross way everything about themselves. You see what I say? So let's take a look at what Krystal replied to this person. She said, oh queen, it really doesn't matter what you call me. You have to learn that quickly. I am not afraid of labels. So as long as you come in contact with my opinion and you can engage me on them, it's a privilege. So much is said in cyberspace. So for you to even see me, know me, hear me, and stop to engage me is an honor. When you are ready to talk constructively about policy, let me know. Right? So now we are learning it's about some policy that they disagree on. Me no follow politics, so me not go find a commenter. You see me I say, I'm not into politics. Me not believe in that. Me not follow it up. So I'm not going to know what them did that talk about or what them policies. Before me tell you what Krystal captioned this when she reposted on her page, let me ask you now, I find it very disrespectful that somebody would call her baby mother number 13, even if I saw it go. Even if Krystal is Beenieman number 13 baby mother, nobody has the right to style up somebody like that. Yeah, that's a fact and everybody know or whatever. It is what it is. If they love each other, everybody should respect that and know and say, yeah, it don't matter. You see what I say? All if they don't love each other, I just saw it thing go. But, you know, in for them case, me personally feel like it's a big styling, especially when it come from a political thing. Yes, she's a human being just like everybody else. So if she, you know what I mean, if she in a politics, she still is a human and you know deserve to talk to nobody. So, and I style them like that. Because if a certain people, that wouldn't be their response. Trust me. If like me or my baby mother, I know so it go. You see me I say. So let's take a look at what Krystal say. Right? So Krystal repost the thing on her page and she captioned it and said, nothing is free. No matter what you do, there is tax. You have to pay. I've learned that there is tax for being seen, heard, recognized. It's mean of having stranger walk up to you and hug you tightly because you love from afar. It means finding a smile to take photo when you are late for something or mentally drained from a hard day. It means open up IG last night and seeing this. Don't shrink back when the tax collector come. Don't be afraid to use your voice and talent. Show up authentically, courageously, compassionately. Do your work and pay your tax. You are here for a reason, and if you work well, the tax will never be greater than impact of action. Love, blessing to all. Hashtag kill fear. Hashtag Krystal Tomlinson. Hashtag on purpose. Hashtag taxpayer. So it would seem like they had some disagreement over tax policy, which led to this person addressing her as baby mother number 13. That's why I mean I like politics, you know. Because when you see how it thing go, it's like them talk about tax and them talk about the whole country and everybody, but you get personal. Like at the end of the day, you just say something for bun somebody. It no matter if they disagree with your party, your policy, or whatever it is, you just say something for bun them. You see me? But me like how Krystal angle it still, you see me? Even though she never clap back and go on the most way and tell her about her mama and her people them or whatever. You see me? That's how she deal with it. She is a lady in a politics, so That's how she respond. But let me know what you think about this and let me know if somebody style you know them way there, what you know that do and how you know that angle it. You see me I say, other than that, if you don't like and follow the page, please like and follow the page for daily updates. Thank you.